Schools, the place that makes all other professions possible. These are the videos of the channel Enterprising Educators. Its continuing mission: to develop innovative instructional methods, to embark on adventurous experiences every school year, to empower students to achieve their fullest potential. Greetings and welcome, everybody. My name is Greg Garcia, and I would like to welcome you to my channel, Enterprising Educators. We are about to embark on a voyage across the unknown possibilities of American education. But first, a little bit about myself. For starters, I am the 2021 Oregon History Teacher of the Year. I am also an award-winning and published public historian. And for the last 7 years, I have been designing innovative social studies and classroom management materials, which I turn around and sell on my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Monocoa Enterprises. Now, the purpose of this channel is to exchange ideas, for me to show you what I've developed over the course of my 10 years in education, and also to hear your ideas. This is also for the students. I teach several different advanced placement courses at my high school in Oregon, and I want to make those materials available to all of you, both educator and student alike. So, if you like what you see, please comment and subscribe. Please also like and let me know what topics you would like me to approach and for us to have a discussion about in the future. We can talk about anything, folks. We can talk about classroom management. We can talk about assessment design. We can talk about autism education. As a person on the autistic spectrum myself, I feel very passionate about sharing my struggles being on the autistic spectrum, and also some of the mechanisms and lesson designs that I have developed that help me and people on the spectrum alike. So, with that in mind, I'm looking forward to this voyage. Please let me know what kinds of videos you would like in the comments below, and welcome aboard. Time to energize. Hello again. Mahalo nui loa for watching that video. Don't forget to tune in every Teacher Tuesday for a new Enterprising Educators video. And if you have an idea for a new video, please let me know in the comments below. So, with that said, live long and prosper, e mo lama pono, and see you next time.